Estamos no Som de Rua, na Maia. Bem-vindos ao Norte, caralho. É isto que eu tenho que dizer. Estou a ficar envergonhada, tchau.
Judge a book by the cover. Discover the soul brother with the mechanol, working brunette to blonde. How many Edison con when I respond in full black? When it's heaven converting villains back to back. Amazing grace when I face the great paper chase. For real, it's long overdue, so I don't wanna talk to you. I stroke the hell out of Mademoiselle who insisted every night she get her back twisted in the unlisted. I'm living through my son, so daddy see it this way. I want him in the NFL, his brother in the NBA. No doubt I'm with a piece down in Mecca, all crazy to the late eve. None of this is make believe. I breathe some of the most powerful lyrics of our century. Battle physically, conquer mentally, essentially. You're dealing with a Mecca affair, so anywhere you wanna go, you know I'll take you there. And open mics. I'm blowing up spots for knots in a millennium years. And now we're dropping on my peers, brings tears and fears. Another question manifesting my only. My soldiers wear Versace or the army fatigue. That brings a world of intrigue and glamour to my arsenal of dons. Pimps the players and layers of Decepticons. My whole mind state gravitates a weapon, making people in the business get a misconception. It ain't hard to the core, it ain't sex on the beach. It's just another plateau the brothers have to reach. Emphatically non-cypher, then we were broken, misguided. Trying to gas me like Hitler once we get divided. No question, you're dealing with a Mecca affair. So anywhere you wanna go, I'll take you there. So I can make them all respect my fame. Them brothers try to count all my chips in the game. Now let me civilize your foolish acts of gunplay. The plan of a stick man, the price and how they get away. Chose for Negroes, the most hypnotical flows on the planet. Another East Coast track roast, goddammit. My theme to mainstream's the knock. The only time I get writer's block is when my nations are unlocked. Pretty much I'm coming through in the club seat. My thought is a bombshell, built to only propel. Or is it just my style of hustle making them all? To rumble the playgrounds with more danger than Jurassic Park. It was dark when I brought it to the light. Despite my staff's got me taking nothing but champagne baths. Now the aftermath's dealing with a Mecca affair. So anywhere you wanna go, I'll take you there.